If the toilet flange sits below the finished floor, use an extra thick reinforced wax ring with a metal or plastic flange insert to seal securely. An extra thick or extended wax ring is designed for gaps where the flange is below the finished floor and provides a larger compressible mass to form a reliable seal between the toilet horn and the drain. Choose a reinforced version that has a built-in flange insert made of metal or rigid plastic because the insert stabilizes the wax and prevents extrusion into the drain when you torque the toilet bolts. Install by centering the ring over the flange with the insert facing up and lower the toilet straight down without rocking to compress evenly. If the floor gap is more than 1/2 inch, consider combining the wax ring with a 2-part solution of a flange extension or spacer to reduce compression stress on the wax. Always dry fit the toilet first, mark bolt positions, and tighten bolts incrementally in an alternating pattern until the toilet base contacts the floor fully and evenly. Replace the wax ring anytime the toilet is removed to avoid reusing a deformed seal. And always check for level and rocking before final bolt torque. Common mistakes include using a standard thin wax ring on a low flange, which leads to leaks and requires replacing the ring and potentially repairing water damage. Use the extra thick reinforced ring with insert or add a flange extension. Another mistake is over-tightening bolts to force a seal, which can crack the toilet base. Tighten evenly and stop as soon as the base contacts the floor and the toilet does not rock. People sometimes double up standard wax rings as a first choice, which compresses unpredictably and can shift. Doubling is a last resort only, and a better option is an extended wax ring or using a proper flange extension. Our site bighomeprojects.com connects homeowners with local contractors by category and location, so we can help you find someone experienced with toilet flange adjustments and sealing. We also help contractors find projects, and we host a discussion community where homeowners and pros exchange tips and ask installation questions.